Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather for the next 10 days across the Arklatex. And of course, this week, starting off where the weekend left off, with lots of sunshine and some rather hot temperatures. Most of the area in the 80s and especially low to middle 90s, 93 as of this recording, shortly after 2 o'clock this afternoon in Shreveport. And expect the above normal temperatures to stick around for at least the first half of the 10-day period. Looking at the overall pattern, we could see the upper level ridge, which is sitting back here over Baja California. Nice upper level trough here across the Great Lakes. And we have a little bit of a disturbance here. This energy is going to slide its way towards the south and east, and it could give us a shot for some rain as we look ahead to Wednesday. And once that disturbance clears, we'll probably have to wait until this weekend to see our next best chance for more widespread rains. Here's a look at Robbins Toyota Futurecast as we go through the nighttime hours tonight. You can see a mostly clear sky on the way tonight as temperatures again will dip into the 60s. Tomorrow, you expect lots of sunshine with a few clouds mixing in the afternoon. Notice a few thunderstorms firing up to the north and west of the Arklatex here late Tuesday afternoon. This activity likely will weaken as it moves into the region tomorrow night, and then basically for tomorrow night we'll see that decrease of the rain continue. We become mostly cloudy, and then you can see the rain to the north and west of the Arklatex over towards Dallas by Wednesday morning. Futurecast and other high-res models showing that we could see this activity hold together long enough to provide a chance for some rain to much of the area here for Wednesday afternoon. That activity will eventually dissipate, and we should be pretty much dry as we go through the rest of the work week. As far as rainfall potential here from now through Wednesday, this is the look at the latest here from Futurecast, and you can see it is rather pessimistic on the amounts. Most locations less than 1/10 of an inch. We could have a little swath here across northern McCurtain County that picks up close to an inch, and maybe again a few scattered areas where that 1/2 inch to an inch will be a possibility. But generally speaking, if you get some rain, chances are now through Wednesday it won't be very much. Here's how it looks in the upper levels of the atmosphere. There's that little ripple right in here, which will give us that chance for the rainfall as we look ahead to Wednesday. That will clear, and then a more significant disturbance moves into the middle of the country, and you can see the chance for the scattered showers and thunderstorms here popping up basically from the Midwest on into the Arklatex. The best chance for the strong to severe thunderstorms probably will be to our north, but we will have some thunder. But right now, severe weather risk looking rather minimal. Still not quite to that secondary severe weather season just yet. And then as we go longer range, you can see the upper level ridge starting to redevelop here across the Rockies heading through the middle part of next week. But with this northerly flow above us, that should allow for some below normal temperatures through at least the first half of next week. Now, if you add the rain from Wednesday's disturbance to that which is expected this weekend and Monday, you can see most of the Arklatex will see below normal rainfall. The 10-day normal is starting to creep up as we're starting to head back into a little bit wetter part of the year. So you can see the 10-day normal now 1.2 inches. We could see that amount close to 2 inches over the northern sections of the area. Amounts further to the south along I-20, close to an inch, and then a 1/2 inch to an inch across the southern, especially southeastern sections of the area from now through next Thursday. As far as the tropics, we do have Hurricane Nigel, which is expected to turn towards the north and to the northeast, not expected to impact the U.S. There's another disturbance we'll have to keep an eye on off the coast of the Carolinas here. This probably not going to move into the Gulf of Mexico, so it looks like the Gulf is going to stay relatively quiet, and we'll have to watch more disturbances as they move off of Africa here in the next couple of weeks. So tonight we're looking mostly clear. We stay rather mild with the low in Shreveport at 66, 63 degrees in Texarkana, 63 in Marshall, and 63 degrees also for the low temperature in Natchitoches. Tomorrow, I expect a mix of clouds and sunshine. Another hot day, back to 94 for the high tomorrow in Shreveport, 90 in Texarkana, 89 in Magnolia, 96 for the high tomorrow in Natchitoches. And your 10-day forecast shows that chance for the rain Wednesday. We should be dry Thursday and Friday. We'll see another shot, pretty good chance, Saturday night, Sunday, and that chance of rain could linger into Monday of next week. Notice behind that system, we will see highs retreat to the mid to upper 80s. Overnight lows briefly warming into the low 70s should return to the middle 60s. So we're starting to see more rain more often, although the amounts of rain that we're seeing still somewhat limited, as our next chance of rain returns Wednesday with a better chance as we look ahead to the last half of the weekend.